You ready? We got a whole part to do today.
Park?
We're gonna do a whole part in one day.
We're gonna go to a park?
Probably, but first and foremost, we got work to do, all right?
The importance of a video part to me is honestly everything. Trying to skate and film like a bunch of shit just makes me feel good. Just any time where I'm like having a good day, where I'm like landing on my board all day long is the best day. That's it. My best skate day is every day. Tomorrow, today. March 23rd, 7:51 in the morning. Let's see what we can get into all day. Beautiful Sunday morning. My body's the strongest it's ever felt. Yeah, I'm ready.
Next spot, let's go.
You know. You've seen it before. Guess we're closing out at this spot. Fucked up my wrist up. Setting up a board. We're at a new spot, shootout ledges. We denobbed them a couple days ago. $619. It's the right time.
Got the boot. Some bullshit.
This ledge spot. Got the homie Jesse putting in work right now as we speak. Perfectly 12 on the dot. You know, it was a good day. Thank the homies for filming, shooting photos. I had fun.
What do you think?
That was nice.
You're stoked we allowed that, huh?
Good, man.
Hell yeah.
Man, video part, it's like your resume, you know? It's like your portfolio, your belt, you know? I mean, that's what we live for. Video part, that's how we express ourselves, you know? Makes you feel who you are, kind of, you know? It's everything.
Full day activity today, huh? See what I can do for y'all.
craziest thing ever, but good stuff for the eye, for the vision, you know? 3 lines, we good. Good start.
Locked in right there. Is that it?
Yeah.
Is that locked in?
Good save, bro. Wow. It was worth it. Pretty beat up, bro. It's been a long day. We've been out since 8 in the morning. It's been fun. Been on the streets all day, bro, just raw style. There he is, bro. Your video part's gonna be like what, like 5 minutes? Where you at, UFC?
I'm in,
Dude, I'm going that way. My feet's hurting just to know he's been jumping. Bro, I was gonna do that. Hey, I came here to do that. Fuck! I had a feeling that we're gonna link
That part of
today.
me.
I don't know why, bro.
Day.
Having a video part is the most important thing in skateboarding. It is your canvas to design your skateboarding the way you want it to look, the way you see it in your head, and the way it displays to the world. It's your art piece and it's your project that you get to put together and show the world what you really got. Concept's part in a day, right? So I've written down a handful of spots. It's good to have a plan, and it's even better to execute. It's 11:15 a.m. before Eclipse Deep.
And we're going to the park. Go to the next one right now.
We sure are. Board went bye-bye at the last spot. We're at the 4th spot today. Starting to get a little tired here, not gonna lie. It's that time of the day where we reach our breaking point.
London, back up here now!
London, can you come this way?
Not right now! No! I'll go get track. That was gangster. You're not gonna go get it, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it for you. Just switch frontside flip off a building and then just go get the thing.
But you said you had to do all the hard things first, then do the easy. I got an
Well,
icy.
Daddy worked backwards this time.
Yeah, when you see blocks like this, in any spot, you just want a nose blunt or 180 crux. Come on. That's good.
You got the hard job, dude.
I feel like a frozen turkey right now.
Switch frontside flip's gonna have to be the ender. Got to get these kids back to their mom, but I'd say we had a pretty productive day. 16 tricks ain't bad.
18.
Oh, 18 tricks?
Yeah.
Cool, I like that.
Because I want to kickflip back nose blunt some, and I thought about doing switch flip nose blunt.
I just want to do a line with switch flip nose blunt. That's like, I don't get that. That doesn't resonate with me too well. Out of all the years I've been doing this, I don't get that one. I never will.
Grow up.
You know what I mean? Like, seriously, grow up. Fucking joke.
You guys not